Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pleasant Stories and Anecdotes. Forward. The two books, Hikāyāt-e-Shīrīń, Pleasant Stories, and Wāqi-āte-Shīrīń, Pleasant Anecdotes, were compiled by Mirza Khalil Ahmad Qamar from the auspicious verbal narratives of Hadrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian, peace be upon him, the founder of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community, which he presented in his blessed meetings and gatherings from time to time. The goal of the series of stories given in this book is for the youth to develop a love and appreciation for the faith-inspiring events related to revered personalities mentioned in these books. It is also hoped that the example of righteousness found in these pages inspire the reader to cultivate a personal relationship with the Almighty Allah. These books were originally published in Urdu, which have been combined under the title of Pleasant Stories and Anecdotes. We are grateful to Dr. Mahmood Ahmad Nagi and Dr. Wajih Bajwa of USA for preparing the English translation, which was reviewed by Qamar Ahmad Zafar and Syed Sajid Ahmad. Final review and formatting was done by Sabahat Ahmad Chima of Additional Wakalat Tasnif. May Allah bless all the contributors. Ameen. All references from Malfuzat have been taken from the 10-volume 1984 edition. I hope that this book shall be beneficial for the English readers, in particular, youth of Ahmadiyya Muslim Community. Al-Hajj Muniruddin Shams. Additional Wakalat Tasneef, London, November 2021.
कभी होकर वो पानी उन पे एक तूफान लाती है कभी होकर वो पानी उन पे एक तूफान लाती है गरज